Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering the exact set of numbers you want to analyze. Once done, scan for blanks or obvious entry errors and flag them. Do not assume trimming yet. Next, make a quick decision about outliers. Will you include extreme values or handle them separately? Then sort or visually scan to identify the smallest and largest values. This prepares you for the calculation. Make sure you have a clean list of numerical values, with any exclusions noted before moving on. Now you locate the minimum and the maximum numbers in your prepared list. If you've sorted it, these are at the ends. Once identified, subtract the minimum from the maximum. Range equals max minus min. Use the same units and keep consistent decimal precision so your result is accurate. For example, 12, 3 minus 3, 7 equals 8, 6. You should also note whether any excluded outliers would change that result. Finally, write the range with units so the meaning is clear to anyone reading it. Finish by reporting the numerical range alongside the sample size and units so someone else can interpret it quickly. If you compare groups, state each group's range to show variability. If the range seems surprisingly large or small, recheck your data entries and inclusion decisions. A misplaced decimal or an unintended outlier often causes odd results. If you still see an issue, compute range both with and without flagged outliers. Then explain which version you're using and why in your final.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.